YouTube, what up? I'm back. It's your boy, the Will McCoy. And it's been a minute, but I'm back with an update for how my waves are progressing, man. So you guys keep it locked, stay tuned. Alright, so as I said, man, I'm back and I wanted to reveal to everyone, I want to show everybody what I've been doing. This is just a short, sweet video. I got another video I'm gonna upload right after this. It's gonna be a product review. Got some products coming in the mail, so y'all stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, in between time, I want to show y'all that I've been brushing. I've been changing my pattern a little bit, or the way I've been brushing anyway. And I want to show y'all the progress that I've made with the changes. And I think that I'm on to something, because the way I'm brushing now, it's getting, my hair is reacting to it the way that I would want it to. Those of you who have seen the other videos, if you recall, I was brushing my hair in this way. I was brushing my hair on the right side, but when I came here on this side, I was pulling it back, kind of swirling it, kind of like in a swirl motion. You know, a lot of people brush their hair that way, almost like a 720 style, you know. But I changed that because on the right side, the waves weren't forming. The right back, they weren't forming. And as you probably can already see, since I've changed, my hair has changed as well. The waves are actually developing and coming in. So I want to start out this video by showing you guys, as I just did, how I'm brushing now. So on the top, coming down at an angle, like so. I'm just really coming just straight down. Just kind of just going with the flow, the way my hair grows, just straight down. Then I get to the back, I kind of go at a slanted angle. You kind of see how the waves are like slanted. I go at that angle, switch hands, I keep it coming at that angle. Keep coming at that angle. And then up front, I kind of go at a slight angle. It's kind of weird because right here on this area, it's kind of like it. You can see like it wants to kind of go that way, so I don't want to brush it straight. I'm brushing it kind of down at an angle, down here at an angle. Trying to get everything to connect, man. But I hope you guys can tell and you can see that it's working, man. It's working, especially on this side. This was the side that was bothering me the most. This side right here, and I feel like this side is vastly improved. You know, it's still a work in progress. I still got a long way to go, but I'm woofing right now, so I'm looking real wild and crazy, I know. But hey, whatever it takes to get to the elite level, to elite status, I'm gonna do it. If you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. And comment down below. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Let me know if you feel like I'm brushing the wrong way. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Comment down below. I'm gonna make sure to include all of my social media in the description box. And that's it. That's all, man. Like I said, short and sweet, to the point. Stay tuned for a new video coming out this week. Product review. It's your boy, Will McCoy. We out.